Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this neutral and wearable gold cut crease look. If you'd like to see how I did this, please keep watching. First I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Prime primer and put that all over my lids. Next up I'm going to be taking my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette and dip into the shade China White with a big flat synthetic brush and just pat that all over my lid to create an even base. Next I'm going to dip into my Jaclyn Hill palette and take the color Silk Cream with a big fluffy blending brush and just buff that all over into my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a more densely packed and elongated eyeshadow brush from Morphe, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Pooter. And again, I'm going to focus that right into my crease, but pack that in so it creates more definition. Next, I'm going to be taking this fluffy blending brush by BH Cosmetics and dip into the color Central Park. And again, buff that right into my crease. Next up, I'm going to be taking this pencil brush by BH Cosmetics and dipping into the shade Soda Pop. And again, focus this right into my crease. I have slightly hooded eyes, so I go slightly above my natural crease, and then once I get everything blended out, I am pulling it out to create a winged effect. Then I'm going to be taking this packer brush and go into the black shade, which is called Abyss. And I'm going to be focusing that right above where I'd like to put my concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat synthetic brush and I'm going to put any type of concealer just on the back of my hand, dip my brush in, and then start from my tear duct area. And then I have hooded eyes, so what I have to do is, in order for my shadow to be visible, I have to go slightly above my natural crease. So once I finish that, I'm just packing on some white shadow so it can be set and not crease. Then I'm going to be taking a different flat synthetic brush and dip into the color SBN. And then I'm going to just pat that all over where I had that concealer laid down. And then I'm just going to dip into the shade Enlight and place that in my inner corner and brow bone. Next up, I'm just going to do a thin line of eyeliner, and then I'm going to go into this Revlon quad and dip into this gold glitter shade. I'm just going to very carefully line the outer rim of the cut crease. So I just followed where the concealer stopped and I just did a very thin line of gold glitter. Then I'm just going to be adding some mascara and lashes, and that's the completed look, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching my videos. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.